Alright, what's up guys? So we're back to another video. This is me and Sky part 10. Part 10! We are finally at part 10! So, me and Sky have been creating a lot of videos lately. And as you can see, we have posted shorts and all that.
Yeah, what my video or Jay's video? Which one?
Well, they'll decide in the comments. Alright, so what should we do today, Sky?
Do it. Do it.
Okay guys, we're gonna show you how you nest.
Everybody doing right, right?
Yes.
What happened with that Jill White?
I don't know. Okay, so the phone is gonna be right there. Sky, let's show them. Wait, Sky, hold this.
Okay.
Let's show them how we do that. Yes. In case we have to fart while we're nesting, that's what we do.
Yeah. I want to pee or I don't pee here. I don't pee here.
Okay, so Sky, let's make our, nest fort or something. Let's make our nesting fort. Alright, Sky, let's make our nesting fort.
I hold it for you.
Yes.
Hurry. What Jade here? How much told you die, right? Told him on.
Alright, this is the nesting fort.
Okay, I don't want to.
Yes, bring the camera. Alright.
Well,
Welcome to the nesting fort.
yay, I love it.
You love the nesting fort?
Yeah. I'm done. Lovely toys. Here you go. My team Malta.
Where?
Hi. My team Malta out there, okay?
Okay.
What in the ball?
Curl up into a ball?
Yeah. Jay, what is the cupboard? What is the cupboard, Jay?
No, I'm putting the camera so they can watch for any suspects. Oh.
I want $2. And I want them. Let me want them, okay?
Okay, this guy. Yeah, I think the monsters are gone. Okay, let's go back under.
Yeah, I didn't taste, okay?
And then this is the blanket.
No. How are you? Right there with you.
Alright, so, y'all, let's talk about some stuff.
Yeah.
So,
my Jake Jam I don't know that.
No, but it is kind of personal. What was that? What was that? What the? No, guys, we're actually for real. We heard like some. I swear to God, that's what it sounded like. We're not faking it, guys. We're not faking it. This is actually like legit. Holy crap. What? Where did it come from? Guys, if you heard that, y'all might have heard it, y'all might have not, but we literally just heard something, and it kind of sounded like laughing, sort of. It was more of like a, like that kind of noise. Like, I have no idea what that could have been. Like, I actually have no thoughts. Well, we're safe in here. Whatever it is, it's not in here. It sounded far away. Do you think it's outside? Okay, let's check. I don't see anything. Yeah, I don't know what it could have been. It could have been a dog. It could have been a dog.
Dog do that?
I don't know. Maybe.
Dog not do that?
I have no idea, Sky.
I want to hear.
Sky, we're safe in here. Where else are you gonna go?
What do we want?
It sounded like it was coming from that way. Sky, don't be scared. Let's just go in the nest. Let's go in the nest.
No,
Why?
here.
No, the video is still recording.
I want to weep.
Why?
I don't need to weep. Because did that Pennywise walk?
No, Pennywise doesn't make that noise. As you can see right there. His head always shakes when the light is on. When the light is off, his head stops shaking. But Pennywise, he doesn't make any noise. I have no idea, Sky.
We'll do a bed.
Alright, let's let the fans take a look first. Do y'all see anything? Anything suspicious? I don't think it's down there. It didn't sound like it was down there. It would have sounded way louder.
No, go down there and look under there.
I just looked with the camera.
And what do you nothing?
No, I didn't see anything.
Remember, TV monster not real.
Yeah, scary monsters aren't real. Especially not in the city, because we live in, like, the big city.
That took me out.
You got so scared.
Who made that noise?
No. I was quiet when I heard it, too. I was like, I honestly have no idea what that noise was.
We're on the bottom, but
I already did. But to be honest, I have no explanation on what that could have been. And guys, like, we're not joking. This is like real. Like we're we're not joking. We actually heard something. Like 100% we're legit. Like I want
to get out of here.
Why? Just go on, Sky. Let's go into the covers.
No.
Why?
What do I do with that thing?
But then I can't record the YouTube video.
I don't care.
You don't care about the YouTube video? Okay, well guys, so Sky is really wanting the video to end and y'all to stop watching, but I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I guess we're just gonna end the video here because Sky wants to. So goodbye.